What is up, guys? Revitup 7 here. Today is a catch-all Hot Wheels video of some cool things that I found recently that I wanted to show off to the channel. This is going to be mostly unboxing, though. This is a little unboxing spectacular. These are all from different cases from end of 24, early 25. And yeah, let's talk about the cars once they're opened up. So, starting off strong with this Dodge Charger, 1970 Dodge Charger from the Fast and the Furious tuned lineup. I got the rest of these, the Chargers, the Supras, so adding this one to the collection. Nice. See right through it. Red stripe on the rear along the trunk and the quarter panels. I always thought that was cool. Not many cars did it, but the ones that had enough rear overhang to do it, pull it off cool. 57 Chevy Art Car. I always have seen this on the pegs forever, but I'm like, I'm gonna pick one up. I used to love picking up this casting when they made a lot of them in the 2000s and the 90s, and I'll pick one up. It is cool looking with the black and white everywhere. These cars with the letters and the art cars are kind of not big into, I'm not super big into them. 55 Mercury, 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. There's a super version of this, but this gasser is not the super version. I just think it's cool, the black and red again. Those gray wheels look sick. Gassers are fun to collect. Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is part of like that Hot Wheels Legends tour. The winning car. There's a gray version of this too, a matte gray one. A little more detail than you normally get. This looks kind of like a Matchbox. I like it. Still looks like a Miata regardless of all the stuff they've put on it. And it's got like a Porsche 911 rear end. Let's do a couple muscle cars. Cruise Bruiser. This has been around for a bit and I've rarely ever picked them up, but it is a cool car. This one's kind of done up like a gasser. It's like a demo derby gasser. I like the pink and the flames. Looks nice. 68 Dodge Dart. Not a fan of the cars where the wheelbase is more narrow than the actual car. Or not necessarily the actual car, but it just looks a bit cartoonish. 49 Drag Mercury. They did the Hero Hata Mercury, and there's another one, well, it is the Hero Hata Mercury, it's just a different paint scheme. So they've done a few of those, and they did the Super Treasure Hunt, and then they did this one, which is like a Zamac, but not Walmart exclusive, I don't think. This one's a dragster. This one I was tempted to open it up because I have two. I think I'm going to, actually. This Flaming Knight Rider kit. It's based on a special version from the show. I mean, I know that from looking on the Hot Wheels Reddit forums. But I think it looks better in this Hot Wheels rendition without the extra aerodynamics and attachments. This is cool. That might get displayed. I love black with flames. It's such a gaudy, like, over-masculine look, but I love it. Badass. Studebaker 65, or 63, yeah, 3 Studebaker Champ. There's a Super Treasure Hunt version of this from last year. This is the white and blue. I like this color scheme. It's very coastal. Classy. 64 Chevelle Super Sport. Cast I used to like to buy when I was a kid. There was a tribal version of this that I liked. I think, if I'm thinking of the right car. I like this yellow. It's very, once again, classy. Something you could see yourself driving around a lot. Speaking of Mercuries, this Hero Hata Mercury, there's a Super Treasure Hunt version of this, and I figured I'd open up the regular, because I'm seeing a lot of them now. Beautiful. I love these chopped 30s and 40s cars. And speaking of Firebirds, I'll keep this in the box, but look at this Ultra Hots Firebird 80s Firebird is what it's called. I love this one though. Gold wheels, gold and red flames. Oh wow, and then that bird on the hood with the hot Ultra Hots paint scheme. I dig this. I'm gonna keep this in the box though with my favorite Ultra Hots. Picked up a Cyber Quad. Not a big fan of this. I just know that they're kind of hard to come by. Same thing with the Cyber Trucks. But thought I'd pick one up. I don't see one very often around here. And then last but not least, I'm opening up this 911 Rally. Another car with a Super Treasure Hunt version. A little bit lighter green on the Super. But I like this dark British racing green a bit more. Of the 911 Rallies they've done, under the day car I think it's actually called, I like the white one a bit more. But I dig this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Come by the channel. Subscribe for more Hot Wheels unboxings and review videos like this. And yeah, thank you for the support. Just hit 1,500 subs.